Hello everybody, welcome back to the Knothole Gang atop the Mickey and Friends parking structure looking at the backside of Battle Escape. We'll take our typical tour here. We'll start with the shrubbery that is growing in the back there. We're here on we took this footage on Saturday morning. I decided to get this because I thought, well, I wanted to see some people working. But unfortunately I didn't catch a lot of live action. But there are people there, which is fun. Bodies on site. So that's why you're seeing it's a little darker than it is typically because it's morning instead of late afternoon. Not a lot of updates though from the backside at least, other than the additional mesh work that we're seeing them put on in that initial spire that they're constructing on the facade. It looks about like it has been. What they're doing is they're adding more fine detail on that front side, which we'll get a better look at from Rivers of America. However, the one thing that I noticed as we continue panning to the left is that they're really putting in a bunch of new spires, forced perspective spires in the back. Look at that. See that? There's three more maybe. I think that's maybe three more frameworks that we've seen gone up. There used to be just the two that I can recall, but now there's 5. And we'll try to see if we can get a close-up of the Millennium Falcon spires, but too much shade. It's too overcast to get any good look at the color. The only way we're going to see that is from Rivers of America, which we will. And there's those new spires being built. They're just kind of filling in the gaps, as it were, is my guess anyway. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they do with that spire that's in the middle of the frame right now. That is, for now, I think it's the highest. It might be the highest point of all the spires. Wow. A lot of mesh work is added on, not on the spire itself, but on that rock work that is starting to climb over the edge. A lot of that is happening quickly. Let's head over to Rivers of America to look at the front side of Battle Escape. You can see it's a little bit later in the morning now, so we're getting a little more color in the picture. I don't think I'll be doing any more morning views of Galaxy's Edge. There you go, but that's something right there. That is a lot of color. That's fine detail we're getting. That's almost finished type detail level. It's just so much going on now, right? I mean, everywhere I look, all of these things used to be really like, wow, look at that type moments in our previous updates, and now they're all just happening at once. So it's impressive. It's really impressive. There's some crane work going. That's from Millennium Falcon. If you watch Yensid, he catches a lot of that type of stuff. They bring in. Oh man, he caught the hallway, parts of the hallway, that circular white cushion hallway from the Millennium Falcon. He caught that stuff coming in. That was pretty great.
Yeah, but I mean, this stuff down here.
I mean, the Millennium Falcon does exist. They're in one of those buildings underneath one of those mountain, ranges or spires. is an attraction that right now looks like the interior of the Millennium Falcon. It just makes you crazy to think about it. Like down there, it's happening right now inside those buildings. There's that tall peak again that I was talking about before. I want to see how that develops, how obvious and how much of a presence that has in the skyline. God, just fantastic. You think, like, you watch Cars Land being built in the Cadillac Range, and I remember thinking how impressive it was that they were able to make that. Cadillac Range is nothing compared to what they're doing here, and that's not even just, you know, saying whatever. I mean, it's like maybe what, a fifth, a tenth of what they're doing at Galaxy's Edge. Anyway, we're over at Toontown, getting another look at some of the domes and spires being built here. This is the longer type view, and then we're gonna get closer now. I don't know why I like to do this twice. There's not a lot to see. I like to get a little long view and then a close-up view. Look at all those domes. That thing is still progressing. It almost looks like something from Crystal Cathedral right now. And I like that dome right there in the middle bottom of the frame. It looks like it could be a turret. I hope it is. That'd be fun. Oh, don't go. Okay, well that signals the end of this update. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for more from Fresh Baked. Obviously, we'll have updates coming next week from Galaxy's Edge, and we got another update coming this week from around Disneyland that will include an update from Pixar Pier, the Mickey Friends parking structure, Tropical Hideaway. So stay tuned for that. There's some progress going on in all those areas. So we'll see you next week, guys. Fresh Baked. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!